Hi guys, today I'm very excited because, well, I have here my laptop and unfortunately it doesn't have Bluetooth, but that is fixable because today I received this Kinivo Bluetooth adapter, USB adapter for this kind of laptops for review purposes. It's very awesome because now I can connect different kinds of stuff to my laptop via Bluetooth, which is, as you might know, very convenient. I have this is the adapter. You can take it out. I leave it on because I want to connect some things upon the Bluetooth. Right now I have these earbuds here, so take it out, and it gives me the options to connect things. So now I can connect them. Now they are in pairing mode, and we search for them. So now I can just listen to music while I'm at home and not disturb anyone else. So I will really recommend it. It's very nice, very easy to use, so it's quite nice.